Last time on Pro Chef Cuts, we made this beautiful pork broth. Today, we'll be making dashi and the toppings and garnishes for our ramen. To make the dashi, add 1 gallon of water to a large pot. Next, we're going to add some kombu, which is dried kelp. We want to be really careful not to overpower our dashi broth with a kelp flavor. We're going to go with 1 gallon and 2 sheets and soften for about a half an hour. While the kombu is softening, we can make another topping for our ramen. This one is called fueru wakame. Cover it, ice cold water, and we'll let that sit for 5 minutes. Our wakame is soaked. We're gonna strain it off. Our kombu is starting to come up to a simmer. Once it comes to a boil, we'll turn it back down to a simmer and let it run for about 15 more minutes. Our kombu's been steeping for 10 minutes. So we're gonna take it out of the pot. We're gonna add 2 ounces bonito or skipjack flakes. They've got a smoky flavor that adds a nice richness to our dashi broth. We're gonna turn our heat back on and bring this back to a boil. Once it boils, we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna let our bonito steep for 5 minutes. While the dashi is steeping, we're gonna toast our sesame seeds. Let's strain our dashi broth. I like to season my dashi with soy sauce, just to balance out all of the umami that is already there and capture all those great flavors. Now it's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I like that a lot. The soy marinated egg. We're gonna cook 6 eggs. We're gonna end up with a soft boiled egg. Last egg. Now our eggs have come to a boil and we've set a timer for 5 minutes. If you leave anything out of your ramen, don't leave out this part. It's so simple and adds so much flavor. Now that our eggs are off the stove, our goal is to stop the cooking process. I like to get these into the soy sauce when they're a little bit warm, because as they cool down, the cell walls start to absorb a little bit more and retain the soy sauce. This will attract the soy sauce over the tops of the eggs to make sure that they're uniformly seasoned. We'll let those marinate overnight. Now that our broth and our dashi are ready and our pork belly has chilled and our wakame has bloomed and our eggs have marinated in soy sauce, we need to prep our garnishes. We'll cut these guys as thinly as you can. Our next ingredient is going to be a thinly sliced fish cake, or kamaboko. Don't be afraid to eat the scraps because they're delicious. I like them. Next, we'll work on cutting our soy marinated eggs in half. Oh yeah, look at those babies. So pretty. So pretty. They came out perfectly. Uh-oh, that one broke. But we'll still use it because somebody's gonna eat that. It's not gonna go to waste. Neither is the soy sauce. We're gonna put that in with our tare. Now for the part we've all been waiting for, slicing the pork belly chashu. Let's see how this gorgeous, fatty, beautiful, beautiful food came out. Let's see. Here's the bottom of the braise. For the most tender cuts, you're gonna wanna find the grain in your pork belly and you're gonna cut across the grain. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh baby, what a gorgeous piece of pork belly chashu. This one is so much more delicate than the first half. So I'm gonna go a little bit thicker with it. I can tell you all these little garnishes smell amazing right now. So you can see the marbling in this is especially ridiculous. My hands are so fatty, it's incredible. I love it so much. Make sure you tune in next week when we put the finishing touches on our ramen. Click below if you want to see the first part to this ramen video. Smash that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe and click on notifications so you never miss a Pro Chef Tuts video. Thanks for watching.